Gwiji for women. It's a Swahili word and it means the best. And what we do at Gwiji is we help women from the urban informal settlements, or what we call slums, become the best at their work and be able to earn the best doing the work that they do, which is the working as mama fua, which is in the informal sector. So why I started Gwiji, it's very personal for me. I grew up in the informal settlement and my parents used to do all sorts of gig work, what we call vibarua, to support us. And my mom at even one point was doing mama fua work, and I would see how she would struggle. She would go, come back without anything, and it was just a lot for us. And I knew she was sometimes trying to hide stuff that was going on from us, but I could see this work was really making her suffer. And we were always, it was the same story for me. No school fees, sometimes no food. And decades later, I still see the same challenge. I see like nobody has really come up with a solution to help my community. I still see mama fua struggling. It's the same story that was there when I was a child. And that's how I took it upon myself to come up with a solution that can empower these women, because I know how much this money means to these women.
Before ni join Gwiji, I was hustling. Na after nipate Gwiji, I don't rest. Wameni lift and I can't complain, na siwezi imagine nikiwaacha. Because nilikuwa nasumbuka, huwezi pata job hivyo tu rahisi. But venye niliingia Gwiji, kazi inakujanga tu mpaka mimi ndio nachoka. Nasema I need a break.
The Gwiji app is revolutionizing home cleaning in Nairobi by making it fast, flexible, and empowering. With just a few taps, clients can post cleaning jobs and set their own budget, instantly connecting with a network of vetted, trained women cleaners, affectionately known as Mama Fua. Once a job is listed, nearby cleaners are notified in real time and can choose to accept tasks that suit their schedule and location. The app streamlines everything from booking to payment, ensuring convenience for clients and dignity, safety, and income for cleaners. By giving both sides control and transparency, Gwiji is not just a tech solution. It's a social impact movement wrapped in a smartphone app.
I recently came to learn about the Gwiji app from an event that we're doing on International Women's Day. And while I was doing my research around women who are accelerating action, I came upon an interview that Elizabeth had done with KTN, and I realized that the platform provides opportunities for women. And given this critical economic landscape that we're in, I thought it was a brilliant idea, and it was still in line with the theme accelerating action. And so that's why I decided to test out the services myself. The experience with Gwiji has been smooth, from booking a cleaner from the app. I know the cleaners are well-trained, professional, and vetted, so I have no issue. I don't have any issue thinking that I'll lose any valuable items around the house.
So the Women in Tech program was, I would say, life-changing for me specifically, because I don't have a business background and also the tech background. But through the program, I was able to learn a lot that I'm implementing in my business at the moment. For example, one of the key learning for me is you have to solve a key problem for your customer that is so pressing to the point that they would want to pay to be able to get a solution. Yeah. The thing I would say is the mentorship that we got. Specifically, my mentor, Mr. Tyrus, has really helped me to improve my business and even bond more with my clients and even the cleaners. One of the key skills that I learned from the program was the power and the value of diversifying as a business. So for example, us at Gwiji, at the moment when I joined the program, we used to just have Mama Fua service. That was our bread and butter. It was what we were doing, our only revenue source, the only way we were employing women, and it was quite limiting. So after learning this, we were able to implement and diversify our cleaning services, whereby we even work with Airbnb, we offer fumigation and other cleaning services. And this has been life-changing for Gwiji, because with new services, we're able to take on more women and empower more women at Gwiji. Even in terms of revenue, we have almost doubled our revenue, because now we have different revenue sources. We're able to give more value to our clients, and even clients are getting so much value to the point that they're recommending their friends to the platform, and our customer base has been growing. The vision for Gwiji is we want to become a household name in Kenya, where every household knows that they can get a reliable, a trustworthy cleaner from Gwiji. And then on the cleaner side, we want to create greener pasture here in Kenya for them. We believe that Gwiji, if everybody joins us and uses our services, we can be able to create employment for these women here in Kenya, where they can even be able to earn more than what most people maybe in offices sometimes earn. We want informal work to be respected and to be seen like it's like any other job out there. And we believe this is a way that we can solve unemployment in Kenya. And we want Gwiji to be at the forefront of achieving this in Kenya.
So far so good, and I highly recommend it to everyone.